Hey guys, what's up? So Apple just announced the iPhone SE 2020 right on the heels of the OnePlus 8 series, and the timing couldn't have been better in my opinion. At times when brands like OnePlus, which started as flagship killer, have stepped into the flagship category, Apple, which has always been a premium smartphone maker, has launched a budget device. The iPhone SE design-wise is nothing new. We have seen this design on the iPhone 6 till the iPhone 8, which is what this device is the closest to with a glass back. The phone has the same sized display at 4.7 inches and the same resolution of 1334 by 750 pixels, which gives it a 326 ppi pixel density, but with an upgraded contrast ratio of 1400:1, which is similar to the iPhone 11's contrast. So the colors will be vibrant and blacks deep, of course not as deep as OLED displays, but still pretty good. It also supports the P3 color gamut and basically supports all the features of the iPhone 11, so the only noticeable difference is the size. The build is also the same as the iPhone 8, so glass and aluminum. The glass back also makes it possible to include wireless charging. The best thing about this phone has to be that Apple A13 Bionic chip. What I'm trying to say here is that most of the features that you get here are the same as on the more expensive iPhone 11 series of phones. The A13 is a very powerful chip and it should be able to handle anything you throw at it. It is one of the fastest chips, so you are getting a flagship grade performance at $399. The next best thing has to be the camera. It has a 12 megapixel resolution and supports portrait mode with advanced bokeh and depth control, portrait lighting effects, smart HDR as well as OIS. It can record a 4K video at 2430 or 60 fps. The front camera seems to be the same 7 megapixel unit as on the iPhone 8. The rear sensor is unknown if it's the same as the iPhone 11, 10 or the 8's unit. Both the cameras support quick take, where if you would hold the shutter while clicking a picture, it will start recording a video. Also, the front camera supports portrait mode as well, so portrait selfies are possible. What is not supported is the night mode. Not a big deal in my opinion at this price. If you want to enjoy all of that, you can get the Pixel 4a, which should have night sight, a bigger display and better battery life. The phone has dual SIM support with eSIM functionality, and the not so long gone Touch ID is making a comeback and is the same Gen 2 sensor. It is IP67 water and dust resistance just like the iPhone XR. It also supports fast wired charging up to 18 watts. So on par with the latest iPhones, but will only get a 5-watt charger in the box. Typical Apple thing. Now that we have covered all that, let's discuss what this iPhone is for. You see people holding on to the iPhone 6, 7 or 8 who don't want to part ways with that form factor. People who want an easy to handle phone and they aren't really gaming on these devices or watching a lot of videos. It's not their primary source of media consumption. They just want to have a phone which can make calls, click a picture when needed, and other basic stuff. For the rest of us, the iPhone XR is still powerful enough, and if you really want the latest, the iPhone 11 is $300 more. That being said, I wish this treatment would have been given to the iPhone XR, which has a bigger display and a better battery life, but I guess in a few months the iPhone 11 will be the iPhone XR of now after the iPhone 12's launch. That's it people. If you happen to like the video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more such videos. I'll see you all in the next one. Till then, bye bye and stay safe.